Hi everyone, welcome to the second episode of Travelogs. Today I'll be giving you a quick guide for Chopta Trek. Reaching here is pretty easy. Delhi, Rishikesh, Devprayag, and then to Chopta. You are free to use any means of transport in order to reach Delhi, so I'll start from Delhi to Rishikesh. You can take your own private vehicle or bus. I started my journey with my friend Nikhil and we took a midnight bus in order to reach Rishikesh early in the morning. I will always advise you guys to take a night bus because at night time road is all clear and travel time is usually less as compared to the daytime. We reached Rishikesh by 5 a.m. in the morning. After doing all the refreshing stuff, without any further delay, we looked for the bikes and rented two bikes, Adventure and Bullet Classic. Yeah, Bullet Classic. So now we were heading towards Devprayag. If you guys know how to ride a bike, guys, trust me, rent a bike and just run away. The road is all yours. You can stop wherever you want, click photos, take videos, unlike bus where it's not so possible. So these are the clips, guys. Divided the screen into three parts so that you get the general idea of how it looks like. This includes complete ride till Chopta Track. There are lots of langar on the way to Chopta from there. We also tried. It was good. So we reached Chopta, which is also our first point. Track. This is Moksha Cafe, a very good place for hippie guys. Although we are not hippies, but stay stuck here. पहाड़ों पे गए और मैगी न खाई तो सफर ही बेकार है यार. So this is the point from where we start our food journey to Tungna temple. Good part is that you will find paved ways which is not harsh for your foods. This scenic beauty is highly mesmerizing. I mean, see the trees, meadows, ranges, clouds, all so beautiful. This is Mother Nature, you know. So we finally reached to Tungnath temple. This was so beautiful. I mean, see the place. I imagine how those guys managed to make this temple on the top of the mountain with just simple manpower. You guys can see Nikhil sitting on stairs waiting for his turn for offering. So this was our second point, the Vinayak temple. From here we will head for Chandrashila, which is also our last point. Here starts the trickiest part. This is because Chandrashila trek is considered one of the dangerous treks of Himalayan region. Actually, climbs are too steep, which is making it too dangerous. So finally we reached our destination, which is Chandrashila, the world's highest Lord Shiva temple. I cannot explain how I'm feeling right now, but this is so amazing. This is amidst the cloud. All you see this white stuff, this is all cloud. I am right now at top point of this Chopta trek. Beyond this point there is one more trek, but that is not recommended at all. That is because vision will be not clear and chances are that you stumble and fall off the ranges. View from here is super amazing. This is the hyperlapse video from this viewpoint. Enjoy the view guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share in order to support me.